Welcome to Zenyo Payroll. Zenyo Payroll is a cloud-based payroll software that helps simplify your payroll processes and pay your team on time, every time. This video will show you the basic steps to create a new account in Zenyo Payroll. Go to payroll.zenyohr.com. Here, click on the Try Free for Now button. Enter the company name, first and last name, email address, phone number, and password. Choose the industry type from the drop-down. Once you're done, click on the Create Account button. You will receive mail to activate your payroll account. Click on the Confirm Account button to activate your account. You have activated your account successfully. Now, click on the Sign In button to sign into your account. Now enter your email ID and your password and just click on the Sign In button. Now you'll be taken to a setup page where you have to go through 3 steps. Organizational setup, tax information and pay schedule. On the organizational setup page, enter the name of the organization, choose the industry type, and enter the address. Click Next. Here enter your organization's tax information. These tax details will be displayed in your Employees Form 16. Enter your company's TAN number, PAN, and GST identification number, and click Next. Now it's time to specify when and how you'll pay your employees. In the Pay Schedule section, specify when you want to start your first payroll, choose whether TDS is to be calculated monthly or yearly, choose when you would like to pay your employees, specify whether you want to calculate the monthly salary based on working days in a month or actual days in a month. Use the toggle to include or exclude week-offs and holidays. Finally, click Save. Now your Zenyo Payroll setup is successfully completed. Overview. Let's see how to navigate through the Zenyo Payroll account. Once you log in, you'll be taken to your company's dashboard where you'll have an overview of your payroll process. It gives you information about the last pay run, deduction summary, payroll cost summary, to-do list, and a lot more. The Employee module lets you add employees' basic details like EMP code, name, employment type, etc. You can either add individual employees or even upload employee details in bulk using the import option. Similarly, you can export employee data and filter data based on various criteria. The My Info module lets you add and edit an employee's personal information, payroll information, bank details, and much more. Using the compensation menu, manage employee compensation details like salary details, IT declaration, allowances, deductions, etc. The IT declarations module gives you an overall idea about the total declarations, unverified declarations, and pending approvals. You may add IT declarations for a particular employee and request for it. Also, approve pending declarations. Here you can manage all the loans and advances you have provided your employees. To add new loans, click on this button. Enter the employee name, loan amount, paid date, schedule period, and deduction amount, and click Save. In expenses, you may add expenses like travel expenses or team outing expenses for your employees. In the Payroll module, you can view the history of past pay runs. Year-to-date report is useful in looking for trends or measuring performance against goals. You can either import the YTD file or click on the sample import file and manually fill in the YTD details of an employee. You can also run payrolls by selecting the batch and pay period. Moving on to the payslips, you may view any employee's payslip, and the Payroll Forms module lets you generate various payroll forms. View the estimated tax sheet for a particular financial year and an employee. Zenyo Payroll provides a lot of reports that can be exported in various formats. Now click on the settings icon and in the company profile, upload your company's logo, and you may edit your company's details and filing address. This email address receives reminders and email notifications regarding your payroll and tax filing. If you want, you can change the account owner. This filing address will be used across all your forms and payslips. Here you can manage your work locations. Here you can view the statutory compliance details like tax slabs, professional tax, PF, and ASI. Using the payroll batches, you can create various batches based on the work schedule and may assign employees to them. You can view the salary components like allowances and deductions and even add new ones here. Manage your taxes and payroll settings like pay schedule and TDS configuration. Under Access Management, you can assign roles to employees. Add new roles, decide which modules they'll be able to access by checking the boxes, and save. In the User Management module, you may view the active members, disable them or send activation links through emails to employees whose activation is pending, etc. Company settings let you add department, designation, employment type, and holiday policies. You may create expense types and expense policies under the Expenses module. The Template module lists out various templates for payslips and final settlement payslips which you can preview and set as default. The email templates consist of emails that can be sent to your employees during the different payroll processes. You can integrate your Zenyo payroll organization with Zenyo HR. This integration helps you fetch employee and LOB details directly from the workforce. Similarly, this integration automatically helps you sync all payroll transactions with your books account. The subscription module lets you know your current plan, the start and end date of the subscription plan, and the billing details. You may also upgrade to better plans for additional features. Finally, contact our support team for further assistance or doubts or send us a query. Make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and let's catch up in the next video.